Hi, Mary here again. So today we're going to talk about preparing your fabric. So you've been to the store, you've decided what kind of fabric to buy off the bolt or buy a kit or a jelly roll or a charm pack or whatever, that we covered all that in the other video. So you come home and what are you going to do to prepare your fabric and get ready to quilt? We've talked about this before a little bit about I don't pre-wash my fabrics anymore. I don't pre-wash the tops, I don't pre-wash the backing. The battings are not pre-washed, so even if you pre-wash everything, your batting is still not pre-washed, so you're still going to get a little bit of shrinkage when you wash after the quilt is constructed. So no, I don't pre-wash anything anymore. Also, remember in the tools video we talked about the importance of buying a good quality iron. So you're going to want to make sure that your iron is clean, you've got some distilled water, and you've got a spray bottle to squirts those, those difficult little spots that we sometimes get. Also, you might want to have some heavy spray starch and have that ready on your ironing board. Your ironing board is an important tool too, but I wouldn't worry too much about having a huge surface area. Don't worry too much about having just the right pad or anything. The iron is important, but the ironing surface, just make sure that it's safe for your iron and, it doesn't have paper anywhere near it or something like that. We don't like fires. Also, before you begin your quilt, the other thing you're going to want to make sure is that all of your cutting tools are sharp. You want your scissors to be sharpened, you want your cutting blades and this would be rotary cutter is what I'm trying to say. Your blades and your rotary cutter to be sharp. I know sometimes I tend to go on dull blades just a little bit too long, but it's just not worth it. They're not that expensive, they last a long time, and you can get the blade sharpened too. Remember, the person who sharpens scissors will normally sharpen your blades for your rotary cutter too, so that can save you some money there too. So that's the end of today's video, and I hope you had a good time, and I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you all are thinking about quilt patterns and getting excited about buying your first fabric.